Hi everyone, I'm Jamina. If you missed any videos of me working on this project, I put the links in the description. In this video, I'm over in Adobe Premiere Pro, and I'm going to put some hot tea and coffee, or cocoa, whatever you wish to be in the mug, on the coffee table. So let's get started. First, I'm going to unlock the tracks I want to put the 3D objects on. Then I'm going to grab them and put them on the timeline. Then I'm going to unlock the telescope track so I can click on it and go up to the effects control panel and copy the brightness and contrast and drop shadow effect and start pasting it on each of the hot tea and coffee elements. Let's hide the ones I'm not working on so I can resize this one and put it on the table. Let's get a little closer to the table. Now I'm going to scale it down and adjust the position. Okay, let's do another one. And hide the track I want to work on and click on that clip. Then I need to go up in the effects control panel, resize it, and pull it down on the table and put it where I want it. Then adjust the brightness and contrast effect. Now I'm going to add one with the handle on the other side of the mug to add some animation to it. I'm going to choose this one and then click on this monitor. That'll put it up in the source monitor. Then I'm going to make a copy by holding the Alt key, clicking on the clip and dragging it. Then I'm going to right click and replace clip with clip in source monitor. Let's do another one. Let's go with this clip. I'm going to click here, which will put the clip up in the source monitor. Then I'm going to make a copy of the clip by holding Alt, clicking on the clip and dragging. Then I'm going to right click and replace with clip in source monitor. Now I'm going to extend these clips. Then I'm going to select them all and pull them down. I need to unlock this track so I can put them on it because I want to add steam to both the hot tea and coffee, or cocoa, whatever you wish to be in the mug. Now I'm going to hide these tracks so I can resize the pumpkin spice lattes. I'm going to select this one, and up in the effects control panel, I'm going to select scale. Resize it, pull it down onto the table. Now let's do the other one. I'm going to hide this track of the latte in the foam cup and unhide this one and click on it. Then I'm going to go up into the effects control panel, click on scale, resize it and pull it down on the table. I'm going to add a horizontal flip effect to this clip. Now I'm going to copy the steam from another part of the video and paste it over here. I need to unhide these tracks so I can see the cups and steam. I'm going to copy these three and paste them over the cups. First, let's lock these tracks. Then unlock the ones I want to put the steam on and hit Ctrl V to paste. Now let's click on the position. I'm going to put this one over the hot tea. Now I'm going to click on scale and resize it. Let's lower the opacity so it's not so white. Let's select these two and move them over and make a copy of the one I just changed. Let's uncheck the uniform scale box so the steam will spread out a little. I'm going to delete this one and make another copy of this one and paste it. Then I'm going to select them both and make copies. Let's unlock this track and put them up here. Now let's continue pasting. Now let's unlock these tracks and extend this clip so it's under the steam. Now let me position the steam over the mug. I'm going to delete this one, and I'm going to resize this one. I'm going to make sure I untick the uniform scale box so the steam spreads. Then I'm going to make a copy of the clip by holding Alt, clicking on the clip, dragging. Now I'm going to select these two, then I'm going to copy them. Lock all the other tracks and paste them. Now I'm going to lock this track and unlock these so I can extend them. Let me select this one and scale it up a bit. Now let's unhide all of them and see what they look like. Let's move this cup over. Let's move the mug over so it's under the steam. I'm looking for the cup of tea. Maybe it's coffee with milk. Here it is. Now I'm going to click on this monitor, which will put it in the source monitor. Then I'm going to hit C to use the cutting tool. Then I'm going to right click and replace with clip in source monitor. I'm going to reposition this mug of pumpkin spice latte. Delete this clip extend the clip I just repositioned and cut it. Now in the Effects Control panel, I'm going to turn off the horizontal flip effect. Let's move the foam cup over also. And that's the end of this video. Thanks for joining me. Hope to see you in the next video. Just in case you're wondering or don't remember, I'll be using this content in the ambient video I'm currently working on. Here's a sneak peek of what it looks like so far.